Do you have a burst pipe, leaky faucet, or toilet overflow? Did your sewer back up or sump pump overflow, or flooded basement? Do you have a leaky roof? Is there a musty smell in your basement? Do you detect mold growth in your home?
Go ahead.
I'm from Paramus, New Jersey. I got a call. Person down here said I had a leak in my house. And I immediately picked up the phone or picked up the computer, and my son found Mr. Schwartz over here. Come over here and take the job. And Sean came over and they did a wonderful job on it. Fixed me up, squared me away on what we have to do.
Dry the water, everything dry?
Everything is dried up and everything is shaping up.
What town is this over here?
This is Ocean Beach, New Jersey.
And you're gonna refer more customers to us?
Oh yes, oh yes.
Immediate response is our guarantee with a 24/7 helpline. Our service crew is ready to provide drying and cleanup in your home or business now. We understand your need for fast service of the highest quality and at affordable prices. We are licensed, insured, and IICRC certified. We provide free consultation or on-site inspection in your home or business. We are the tri-state leaders in water damage, mold remediation, and restoration. Enter your email for immediate help or call now at 1-888-220-2488. That's 1-888-220-2488.